Good morning students. Now class 7. Today you have to read about the law of reflection. You know that there is bouncing back of light from the surface. Now this is called the reflection of light, and here two laws which is followed by reflection of light. That is first law what? Now incident ray, reflected ray and normal on the point of incidence lie in a same plane. Understand? First law, that is incident ray and reflected ray normal on the point of incidence are lie in a same plane. Now you see here that this is the plane mirror. Last day you have known. Now this is the incident ray I, and this is the reflected ray, that is R. Now this is the point of incidence. A is the point of incidence and here AB is the normal. Now incidence ray, reflected ray and normal, where on the point, at the point of incidence on the mirror. Now these three are lie in a same plane. Understand? This is the first law of reflection. Have you understood? Now second law. Second law what? That angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. You know that angle of incidence, that is angle formed between I and N. Incident ray and normal. This is called the angle of incidence and this is called the angle of reflection. Now here if suppose that C AB, here D. Now angle CAB is the angle I, that is angle of incidence. Okay? Now angle DAN, this is equal to angle R, and now this is the angle of reflection. And now second law says that angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. This is the law. This is the law, that is angle of incidence is equal to angle of residence. That is this angle is equal to this angle. This angle. What is the angle formed between the normal and incident ray? That same angle is formed by reflected ray with normal. Understand? These are the two laws. That is first law, you know that incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie in a same plane, and second law, that is angle of incidence is equal to the angle of residence. Okay.